Hey everyone, I'm back with another fan again. It's Metal Pete here, the metal fan. This time I got one of Dan Spiffy Newman's Moss Tropical Breezes that we picked up on the Fanimation tour trip of the group tour. And I figured I'd test one of these out and see what these do. So, it's basically essentially the same thing. If you can dig it out, I have my new fan in here somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but it's buried. I gotta get some shells for this, but I have a new fan spinner that looks exactly like this, just plain brown blades. No switch housing. This one is light kit adaptable though. And just plain blades, I said, but it's still a cast iron motor. It looks just like this one. Bell-shaped canopy and everything. Here we go. Here's low. And it is drawing 0.2. And I know, and for certain fans, a nice slow low is actually really good. And this one is definitely got a slow low. But at the same time, I can feel something off of it, even though it's kind of an aesthetic low. Alright. Let's do medium. And it draws 0.76 on medium. Okay, not a bad medium. I'm actually feeling something off of this already. I mean, it's not the fastest fan, but wow, I'm actually feeling something. Let's do high. I'm gonna do high. Low. Okay, here comes high. Wow, this thing moves as much air as my Casablanca. I mean, it's slower than the Casablanca, but wow, this thing actually moves quite a bit of air. It's the one thing about these vintage fans, the quality, just what they did, actually moving air versus just circulating it. And it draws 0.84 amps on high. Let's see if the airflow is the same. I'm definitely feeling something. Feeling it back here. Feeling something. I mean, this is another one I would not mind having in my bedroom as a vintage fan. I would love these things. You know, I actually like these things. But you go right under it. The breeze is just strong. Alright, time for spin down. Yeah, this cast iron motor might also cause a slower spin down, so well, maybe not with the wood blades. It's already slowing down. Okay. But yeah, mine is actually labeled new fan. Well, this is a Moss, so they're both made in Hong Kong. Like the same with golden fan, new fan, golden fan, moss, even coat up. Okay. We're gonna do reverse. Okay. Let's do reverse. And I'm getting 0.2. Even view fan is made in Hong Kong. It's got to be a one Hong Kong company that made all these because so many similar parts to them. The motors even look so similar. But this one has a tag on the top that says Moss Tropical Breeze. Okay. It's 0.2. Alright, let's do medium. 0.2. 0.75 on medium. Medium reverse. Okay. Let's do high. And I'm getting 0.85, just a very minute difference on reverse high, just a light minute more. It was 0.84 on forward. This is 8.5 in reverse, so very minute difference. Okay, I'm gonna turn this, gonna go back and forward direction and do wall control. Okay. Okay. Gonna do wall control with the decade box and see where it starts. 1, 2. Nope. Oh, is it starting on 2? Nope. 3. Nope. 4. Yeah, it starts on 4 with 0.21. And I think that's gonna basically let it get up to speed. Definitely is right on the money with the factory low. Let's do 5. 0.28. Let it get up to speed. 6, 0.34, 7, 0.4, 8, 0.46, 9, 0.52, 10, 10.58. So if you had a 5, 10, 15, this would, or 5, 8, 13, this would probably be just fine. And then I'm going to do do 0.62 on 12. 13.67, so you're safe with that. 14.71. Here's 15.75. So we're right at factory medium, right on the money with that. So 5, 10, 15, and we still got some headroom to go to high. So 16.78, 79. It's flopping. 17.81, 18.84. Okay. All right. We are already at high, so this is high. This is right on the money for high, so I'm going to flip the high switch. Okay. See, I'm right on the money. Okay, I'm just going to go up to see if I actually do. Yep. I go over. Watch. 0.84. Turn off high. 0.86. So 18 microfarads is as high as I can go with these Moss Tropical Breezes. Okay. Time to do solid state. Alright, I'm going to see where it starts. Is it going to keep going? Yes, it is. And I'm at 0.16, and it's above 3 o'clock, so it takes a little more to start it on a solid state. And it's 0.16. I'm going to go another eighth of a turn. 0.2, 0.22 when I'm at 2 o'clock. Go to 1 o'clock, 0.29. Let's get up close to it to see. Let's see if I hear anything. I honestly cannot hear any noticeable buzz or hum. It's like this thing is meant to work on the solid state almost. Let's go up a bit to see if any hum becomes more present. I'm going to go to noon with it. 0.46. 0.59 out of 11. 0.69, 68 at 10 o'clock. And I'm just going to go to high. 0.8. I do not hear any buzz or hum at all. Well, I mean, so this thing works beautifully on the solid state, even though the current draw on high is a little bit lower than factory high. It's definitely works beautiful on the solid state. Last test. We're gonna do 0 to high. So this is one Moss Tropical Breeze. We got another one down there we'll test later on when Dan comes here, I think on Monday. He's gonna come down here and we're gonna test some of these others out. Okay, here's 0 to high. I'm gonna put it on the meter. 0.86. 0.84 is the final current draw. Okay, so it had a little bit of a spike of inrush current, but not very much. Drops right to its rating, so. Alright, other than that, that is all for this polished brass Moss Tropical Breeze spinner with the cane blades, and I'll see you next time with another fan. Thank you for watching.